Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first 8 counts of the chorus are 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you're going to slightly look to the left side. Okay. Take your body down. Put your hands into fist down here like this. And you're going to take your head down, down 4 times. So down, 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 down. Then you're going to roll, roll. So roll your head out, out. Okay. And while doing so, you're going to step left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. So with counts, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then on 7 and 8, from rolling 2 times, jump. Okay, now look forward, jump, your legs are out, and take your right palm down. Your right palm is down, and your left palm is like touching your chest slightly, like this. So we're going to start on 7. Okay, 7. And now look forward. Your left hand is down, right hand is up. 8. Take your right palm down, left here. 7 and 8. So your face is going up first, and on the last one, take it to the right side. So now face the right side on the last one. 7 and 8. Now let's repeat from the beginning from here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next count after going 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we left our right palm down. Now face the front, and you're going to switch, 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 switch 8 times. After here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Make sure your left palm is down and your right palm is up when you finish this part. So you see, as we started here, you have to end up like this. Head in this part is tilted to the right for the first 4 counts. So after doing 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, now switch 5, 6, 7, 8. So actually, I made a mistake for this part. Tilt your head to the left for 1, 2, and 3, and tilt your head again to the right on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to the left, 1, 2, 3, and to the right, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to slightly squat and take your legs out like this and jump 8 times. So jump, jump, jump while you're doing this part. So all this together after 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. So after we ended up like this, the next 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After we were jumping for 8 counts, okay, step with the right, left, right, left until they're joined together. So right, left, and then again step right, left, right, left. The upper body, take your arms all the way up. Okay, take your arms all the way up. Palms are out. Take them forward, forward, forward. So just take your palms out, 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 out 4 times for the first 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your hands into fists. Take your 2 fists and take them out. Okay, out, then again, out. So you see how I'm moving from right to left. Take them out, right side, out, left side, out, right side, and lastly, left side. And on one, for the last count, like take them out, like looking straight, take them out, but like don't finish like the movement. Like you're making circles, circles, circle, circle. And on the last one, take your hands down. So from here, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and take your hands down. For the last 8 counts, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just turn your head from left. So from left, turn your head from left and keep it up. And look up for the last 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop and look up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's repeat from here one more time. This is the second half. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was the end of the chorus. It's really easy, and thanks for watching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.